With the dog leg tacked into place, we shall now do the strength test. All my weight's on it. You're solid and strong. So I POR 15 in here, and I got to thinking, while this dries, I'm doing nothing. So what we're gonna do is start splitting up parts of the bus that we're working on. So we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna go cut off the corner. Okay. So this is the first time I get in here and see that there's some inner structure to fix here. So if you look here, oh God, this too. This is probably gonna take off this corner and then fix this stuff while I'm in here. Wow, it's nice. Wow, just eyeballed that one. So I've got it marked off where I'm gonna cut it. I don't know if this is the best way to cut. It's the way I do it now, because I just started doing it now. And I'm looking in there, and this part of the frame is gone. So there's a lot of repairing that's gonna have to be done in this whole area as far as frame is concerned. So bottoms up, let's get to it. I'm way in over my head. Enjoy. I managed to do it without cutting into the frame, which is surprising to me. I typically cut too deep. But as you can see, if you look from this angle, the frame no longer exists here. So I guess I have to fabricate that. It's not just the skin. Oh, and check out the old battery tray. I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna do the foot removal technique. That is disgusting. Guess I'm gonna remove off these. There's not even any tack welds left there. I might be able to get that off with pliers. Watch this. I may be able to just grab this and pull off the tack welds. I mean, there's barely any welds left there. Much less something to weld to, so yeah, look at that. Just breaking those tack welds. This is my special technique. There's only so far down I have to go because I have this piece, so let's find that piece. And it goes up plenty high, so I might just cut it at the same spot. Keep it original if I can, so cut across here, maybe come down, or cut here, come straight down and go like that. That's the ticket. It's very technical stuff going on here.
Yeah.
Oh boy, what have I gotten myself into? So I'm using my classic crowbar technique to remove spot welds. There we go. We're getting the engine bay skin off. That's okay. It's okay, you know, it's just more work, but that's okay. More work than I didn't expect. We're gonna have to do some grinding. No way around it. So the rear frame here is pretty rotted out, and as you can see, I've ordered the parts. Hopefully they get here eventually because they are coming from Europe and they haven't even shipped yet. But I figured I'm gonna fix this correctly because that's where the bumper mounts, or where any toe thing you would put would mount. So I boarded this whole inner area. We're gonna get it fixed right. So in the next few episodes you guys are gonna be seeing, we're gonna finish fixing this dog leg so that we could get the floor put in, kind of working our way back. We're gonna be getting to the nose at some point here. Whatever you guys wanna see, leave it in the comments. We read the comments, we respond to the comments. We wanna know what kind of videos you wanna watch. It's definitely a lot of work, and I'm still racking my brain on how we're gonna be doing this pop top roof swap. It's gonna be quite difficult, it seems, but possible.
Hey Vangabonders, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. If you would like to follow us on Instagram, the link will be here. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. See you guys next time.
Good.